Hey, what's up, guys? Brett here with Moto Blasters LLC, and today we're going to be working on a 1998 Suzuki RM250. We're going to be rebuilding the top end as well as the bottom end, and we're also going to be vapor blasting everything spotlessly clean. This is a customer's bike, and the story that was relayed to us was that he had some problems with the top end. So the bike was left disassembled for several months, and it was able to collect months of grime and rust. So we're going to make this into a multi-part series without dragging it out too far. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the disassembly of this engine. pin's really seized in there. So what we've done is we sprayed some WD-40 and just go ahead and remove both of the circlips. I'm having to take a socket and drive it out.
Ooh, that is nasty there. Looks like tons of years of Caster 927. I really doubt that's ever been cleaned before.
Alright, so unfortunately our camera didn't get the last part. We were removing this valve from the cylinder, but basically it just sits up in there like this and it pulls out this way. The reason why we were having trouble with removing this is because it was binding on the gasket on the outside cover. So that's pretty much all there is to it, and a pin runs through here. Okay, so we've already cleaned up the cylinder because it's going to need a repair to the plating. I'll go ahead and insert a small clip right now on this video so you can kind of see what it looks like after we're done vapor blasting it. Part 2 of this video series, we're going to be completely vapor blasting everything, and we'll kind of take you through the whole process of that. I'll go ahead and enter our contact information on the screen now for our website and our Instagram if you're interested in having this kind of work done to your bike. I'll also link those details down in the description below. So until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.